Hello, Christina. My name is Brad, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Within this video, what we're going to do is go over three different things: content, backlinks, and citations. And these three different things are going to help you build a stronger website and bring in a lot more revenue for your business. I see you guys got a hiring thing here. That's an excellent thing to have on there. Um, I'm going to jump into content first thing, besides complimenting you on your website here. Um, Content is the amount of words that your website has on it. What I'm going to do is copy and paste this into what it's called is word count, and there's a web page word counter. So I'll just copy and paste your web page in here. You guys have 835 words on your website, okay? What again Google is looking for is 1,500 to 2,000 words to keep in good standings with them. I'm going to go over here to your competitor, and the same thing. I'm just going to copy and paste. And they have 628. So they're not far behind you, but they're a long ways from 1,500 to 2,000. And again, with your words, you have room to improve as well. Like I said, 1,500 to 2,000. By adding about, I don't know, 500 more keywords, 600 more words to your website, what that's going to do is help bring more revenue to your company and to also put in keywords. Keywords are things like this: plumbing, heating. If you're looking for pizza, you'd put pizza in here. If you're looking to go to a hotel room, you'd put hotel room. I think you know what a keyword is or how to use this, so I'm not going to bore you with that. But however, down here, this is called the map it area. As you can see, you guys are in the second spot right now. You want to be right up here, the very first spot, to build more revenue for your business. Now, down here, what I was going to say is this is the second place that customers are going to click on to find what they're looking for. Down here is organic, the organic area. And this is normally, according to Google, where most people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. I see you guys are currently in the number 2 spot. You were in the 3rd spot, but I clicked on this a few times. So it brought you up to number 2. But you guys, again, are doing good by being in the 2nd spot, but you want to be in the 1st spot here. Going through here, your competitor, I don't think I even saw them in here. And I am not seeing them. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here. Since we talked about keywords and web, how many words you want. So you guys have 48 organic keywords. Okay, so you got a lot of improvement to do here by, like I said, if you add 600 more words or thereabouts, maybe 700, that's up to you guys, but you got a lot more room to put in these organic words, keywords. And it's bringing you a value right now of 151. But if you build this up, this value is going to go up a lot better for you guys and bring a lot more revenue into you. What I'm doing now is bringing up the keywords that you guys use. Some of your bigger ones are your name, so a lot of people must know you. Heating and cooling and plumbing. And again, you get these, how they put contractor behind here. These are just, they put an S on here, for example, instead of ing. These are just different things you can do to, again, heating and plumbing 1.4. Okay, that's awesome. These are just different things that you can do to help build up your reputation and build a stronger business. I'm going to go over here. This is your competitor again. And they have 53 keywords, but their keywords must be a little stronger because it's bringing in more revenue for them, okay? I'm going to click on their organic keywords. Let's see some of the stronger ones are plumber and Eau Claire, plumbing and heating company, plumbing and heating services near me. So you can see a few of their words that they're using stronger. Next, we're going to talk about backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. I know that sounds pretty technical, and maybe you know what it means, but basically what it is a popularity contest. Whoever has the most backlinks is going to win the race. It's a popularity contest, so whoever likes them most is going to win the race. And this is what Google uses to help build trust between your business and by vouching that others are actually looking at your business. So since I've got them up here, they've got 34,000 backlinks, okay? Your company has 1.1, okay? And again, 151. These things coincide with each other. So let's just click on yours, just see a few of your backlinks. So these are people that are shooting back at your company, making you guys popular. And again, that's what helps you guys grow in the Mappets and the organic areas. Last thing I want to talk about is citations. And a citation is anywhere in your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as it is per your Google business profile. Oh, I went to the second spot. That's why. Alrighty. So what I'm trying to say is everything in here has to be exactly as it is on your business profile. There's a little and right here. If that wasn't there, that would make a difference. This little dot, I don't know if you can see it, but that would make a difference. There's another one right here. So again, it has to be exactly as it is on your business profile. In closing, I would just like to say you guys have an excellent website up. You have room for more words and more keywords to help bring more revenue in and even help these guys right here find your company. Because like I said, being on that first spot makes a big difference. That's where people are going to click for you. I will be sending this video to you through an email. If you want more information, Christina, you can call me at 608-574-2784, or you can simply reply to the email that I'm sending to you. I hope this is helpful. It has a lot of information for you. Again, you can use this for free to build your own website, or you can contact me if you need more help or information.